In the vast digital world, mastery of HTML is a game changer. It's the language that brings life to the web, the skeleton that shapes every web page. But where to start, you may wonder? Well, we've got you covered, introducing our comprehensive online course on HTML. With our course, you'll go from zero to hero, learning everything from the basics to the nitty-gritty details. Dive into the world of tags, elements, and attributes. Understand the core principles that govern web design. Grasp the power of tables, forms, and multimedia. All these within your reach at your own pace in the comfort of your home. Our expert instructors provide clear instructions and real-world examples, making the learning process engaging and practical. So, whether you're looking to start a career in web development or just want to gain a new skill, our course is your perfect match. Remember, the internet is built on HTML. It's time to understand its language, to speak its code. So don't wait, dive into our online HTML course today. Your digital journey awaits.